What if I told you that one company completely changed global aviation, not with weapons or speed, but through cooperation, technology, and bold decisions? This is a story of Airbus. Airbus is today one of the most powerful names in aviation, but its beginnings were far from certain. In the late 1960s, the commercial aircraft industry was dominated almost entirely by American manufacturers. European countries had strong aviation industries, but they were divided and unable to compete globally on their own. Instead of continuing separately, several European nations made a historic decision to work together. This decision led to the creation of Airbus, a company that would go on to reshape the aviation world. The birth of Airbus. Airbus was officially founded in 1970 as a multinational European project supported by France, Germany, Spain, and later the United Kingdom. The idea was simple but risky. Combine resources, engineering talent, and industrial capacity to build competitive commercial aircraft. Many experts believed the project would fail due to political complexity and financial risk. Despite the skepticism, Airbus moved forward with confidence and a long-term vision. The first aircraft and early struggles. The company's first aircraft, the Airbus A300, made its first flight in 1972. It was the world's first twin-engine wide-body airliner, designed to be more fuel-efficient and economical than existing aircraft. Airlines were hesitant to trust a new manufacturer, and early sales were disappointing. Airbus took major risks to prove its aircraft, offering demonstration flights and flexible deals. Over time, the A300 proved reliable and efficient, gaining the trust of airlines and securing Airbus's survival. Innovation that changed aviation. Airbus chose innovation as its main weapon. One of its most important contributions to aviation was the introduction of fly-by-wire technology in commercial aircraft. This system replaced traditional mechanical flight controls with computer-assisted controls. The Airbus A320, introduced in the late 1980s, became the first commercial aircraft to fully use this technology. It improved safety, reduced pilot workload, and introduced a modern cockpit philosophy that is still used today. The success of the A320 firmly established Airbus as a global competitor. Expansion and global success. As Airbus grew, it expanded its aircraft lineup to cover all major market segments. Aircraft such as the A330 and A340 allowed Airbus to compete on long-haul routes, while continuous improvements to the A320 family strengthened its dominance in short and medium-haul travel. One of Airbus's boldest projects was the A380, the largest passenger aircraft ever built. Although it was not a long-term commercial success, it demonstrated Airbus's engineering power and ambition. Airbus today and the future. Today, Airbus is a global aerospace giant, competing directly with Boeing. It builds commercial aircraft, military platforms, helicopters, and space systems. Modern aircraft like the A320neo and A350 focus on fuel efficiency, advanced materials, and reduce environmental impact. Looking ahead, Airbus is investing in sustainable aviation, including hydrogen-powered aircraft and cleaner technologies, aiming to shape the future of air travel. Conclusion. From a risky European experiment to one of the world's leading aerospace companies, Airbus has completely transformed aviation. Through cooperation, innovation, and persistence, it broke a monopoly and changed how aircraft are designed and flown. Airbus did not just build airplanes. It changed the way the world connects through the skies. Airbus is more than just a company that builds airplanes. It is a symbol of cooperation, innovation, and persistence. From its risky beginnings in Europe to becoming a global aerospace leader, Airbus has rewritten the rules of aviation. Its story shows that vision and collaboration can change an entire industry and connect the world like never before. As Airbus continues to innovate with sustainable technologies and new designs, its legacy is not just in the planes that fly today, but in shaping the very future of flight.